Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-350 Limited. Now the exterior color is a white platinum metallic tri-coat, and under the hood we have a 6.7 liter power stroke diesel engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as our LED daytime running lights, as well as a pair of fog lamps with 2 tow hooks and our front facing camera. Over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Michelin tires, as well as we have our power deployable running boards at the side, as well as our color match mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear and our twin panel moonroof on top, as well as this Limited comes with remote start. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our trailer hitch as well as our 4 and 7-pin connection. We also have a spare 5th wheel underneath, as well as our color match rear bumper with our reverse sensors inside, as well as we have our reverse camera. We also have our Limited stamp, as well as a power release tailgate, LED taillights, and a tailgate step inside our tailgate. And inside our box, we have our spray and bed liner with our 5th wheel prep package, as well as an embedded defroster at our rear window, as well as our power side feature. We also have our ultimate camera and tow package, which includes another camera located in the middle of the third braking light up top. At the interior of our Limited, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as ambient lighting with power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as we have our power windows and power adjustable and foldable mirrors with the extendable option, as well as we have mirrors located underneath our mirrors, as well as we have our blind spot information system. Over at our steering column, we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors as well. We have our automatic headlamp dial and our fully telescopic steering wheel with our foot pedal adjustment switch and tailgate release button. We also have our information trackpad and adaptive cruise control settings on the left-hand side, as well as we have our hands-free and entertainment and volume controls. And as we look ahead the steering wheel, we have our pre-collision warning system. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights, as well as our 3 garage openers and our 6 aux points and our beautiful twin-panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful brown and dark brown leather, which comes with our Limited stamping, as well as we have our fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger, as well as the driver and passenger can both enjoy massaging seats. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have our Sync 380 touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As well as we look above, we have our camera icon, which allows for us to view the front camera or rear camera, as well as our lane departure assist. And underneath we have our controls for our sync display, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as air conditioned and heated seats for the driver and passenger, as well as the driver can also enjoy a heated steering wheel. And underneath we have our dual smart charging USB ports, as well as we have loads of cubby hold storage with dual cup holders and ambient lighting, and our center console with our Limited stamp, as well as we have dual cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy tons of door storage, as well as more ambient lighting and power windows, as well as more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have a 12-volt adapter with dual heated seats, dual USB ports, and an AC outlet, as well as ventilation to make sure passengers are kept comfortably. And we also have our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, which has tons of legroom and loads of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this phenomenal Limited, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.